I do remember this part.
What is that? I'm guessing it's not for decoration.
You can see by the shape that's catapult. You can see that they have catapult and executioner on it. Those are definitely executioners. What the fuck? Are we in the medieval age?
Things just keep getting better.
This is gonna be fun. Huh?
What are they?
Shh. Keep your voice down.
Any bullets? What was that?
What is that?
Don't ask me, I asked the same question just a minute ago.
This is gonna be bright.
Is he dead? He's dead. Did he just say Morte? I don't know if he mean kill him or death. Never saw them down here ever before. They usually hide in the original. You have to catch them. Definitely a catapult. Dude, you got to be joking me. It's on target. They hit on freaking target. How am I to dodge those? Seriously.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Come here. Come here.
I guess this is their idea of a warm welcome.
This is different than the original one. It feels different.